we are going to discuss about 4-bit CLA, where CLA stands for carry look ahead adder. The main concept behind CLA is the carry out equation. Ci plus 1 is equal to Gi plus Pi into Ci, where Gi is called generate term and Pi is called propagate term. For our convenience, consider the addition of two 4-bit numbers A and B, where A is equal to A3, A2, A1, A0, and B is equal to B3, B2, B1, B0. The generate term Gi is simply Ai into Bi. In this case, I is equal to 0, 1, 2 and 3, since we are considering two 4-bit additions. Since generate term is an AND operation performed on Ai with Bi, Gi will be 1, that is Gi is equal to 1 when Ai is equal to Bi is equal to 1. Ai is equal to Bi is equal to 1. Ai is equal to 1, Bi is equal to 1 if at all are considered. By adding A is equal to 1 with Bi is equal to 1, the sum will be 1 and 0. That means we are calling Ai into Bi as generate term because since Ai is equal to 1 with added with Bi is equal to 1 results in a carry being generated. So that is why Gi is called the generate term. Similarly, consider the second term propagate term, that is Pi, that is equal to Ai exclusive OR with Bi. Since an exclusive OR operation is performed on Ai with Bi, Pi will be 1 if either Ai is equal to 0 or Bi is equal to 1. Similarly, A is equal to 1 or Bi is equal to 0. If both are added, that is A is equal to 0 is added with Bi is equal to 1, no carry is being generated. Similarly, if A is equal to 1 is added with Bi is equal to 0, no carry will be generated. For these 2 bit positions, if any carry is propagated from the previous bit position, that is, for example, the previous carry bit position is Ci minus 1, if that value is equal to 1 in both the cases, then what happens is by adding Ai with Bi along with a carry out generated from the previous bit position, a carry is generated. That means the previous carry bit position is simply propagated to the next bit position. So that is why the Pi is called the propagate term. So finally we can say that in a carry look ahead adder there are two important terms to be considered. One is the generate term Gi, which is an AND operation performed on Ai with Bi, and the next one is the propagate term, which is an exclusive OR operation performed on Ai with Bi. Then consider the addition of the two 4-bit numbers A and B, and why the name carry look ahead addition is being given to this type of adder. We know that in a full adder the sum expression is given by Si is equal to Ai exclusive OR with Bi exclusive OR with Ci. This can be simplified as Si is equal to Ai exclusive OR Bi is nothing but propagate term, that is Pi exclusive OR with Ci. And the main equation of CLA, that is Ci plus 1 is equal to Gi plus Pi into Ci. Ci plus 1 is equal to Gi plus Pi into Ci. Since 4-bit addition is performed, I is equal to 0, 1, 2 and 3. That means the carry outs for each bit position will be C1 is equal to G0 plus P0 into C0, and C2 will be G1 plus P1 into C1, and the C3 will be G2 plus P2 into C2, and finally C4 will be G3 plus P3 into C3. Therefore, the sum outputs at each bit position, that is I is equal to 0, S0 will be P0 plus C0, that is the C0 is nothing but the initial carry in for the least significant bit, and S1 is equal to P1, I am sorry, earlier case S0 is P0 exclusive OR with C0, and S1 will be P1 exclusive OR with C1, and S2 will be P2 exclusive OR with C2, and S3 will be P3 exclusive OR with C3. And if you observe, unlike in a ripple carry adder, before performing the addition, the carry outs at each bit position are ahead known to the user. That is, C0 is already calculated, C1 is already calculated, C2 is already calculated, C3 is already calculated based on the main equation of CLA, that is Ci plus 1 is equal to Gi plus Pi into Ci. In that way, since the carry bit positions at each bit